Hello everyone, I'm an intern working LEXIS and Company and I'm going to present on the topic inheritance law. So inheritance is a term used for passing out of the property from the deceased to their close ones, basically who are in the blood relation with the deceased person. So the Succession Act and personal laws govern the inheritance, and basically Indian Succession Act passes on the inheritance, and personal laws govern the vesting, which is the division of the rights of the assets and the properties that are present. So basically there are class 1 and class 2 heirs, and class 1 is the first preference and class 2 is the second preference. So class 1 heirs are the widow, son, daughter, mother of the intestate, and heir of the predeceased children of intestate. Then comes class 2. In class 2, there is father, grandparent, grandchildren, brother, sister, and other relatives. Other terms are agnates and cognates, which are the agnates are the blood relations to the deceased through males. This the can be male brother's son, brother's daughter, son's son. Then cognates a blood relation to the deceased through females. Can be sister's son, mother's daughter, son's daughter, daughter's son. In a case of Hindu personal law, if a Hindu male dies, then the class 1 heirs get equal share. The class 1 heirs are widow, son, a daughter, mother of intestate, and heir of predeceased children of intestate. So they are getting equal shares. If in case there is no class 1 heir, then the property will be divided into class 2 heirs. In case if the class 1 or class 2 heir, the property shall be divided like if there are no class 1 or class 2 heirs, then the property will be divided into agnates and cognates. Then if none of them are there, then the property will be given to the government. If in case a Hindu female passes away, first her children and husband will get the property share equal shares, and then among the husband's heirs, husband's children who are going to succeed her husband, then if not them, then the father and her mother. Then if not them, then the her father's heirs and her mother's heir will get the property. Then under the Muslim law, the division is done that the widow will get the 1/8 of the share, childless widow will get the 1/4 of the share, son will get the double share of the daughters, and daughter will get the half of the property. And in case there is more than one daughter, then 2/3 of the property. This is the distribution of the. And in case of Christian and Parsi, it is very complicated, and advocates are asking for amendments in the current law because there are many loopholes in their law. So the problem arises in personal law, especially seen in the Muslim law and other laws. The division is very unequal, and especially women are getting less amount of property compared to the male counterparts, and this is the issue with the personal succession law in India. So thank you. This was it for the presentation.